Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the joys of lateral crawling, or sideways crawling. Lateral crawling is just simply crawling sideways with opposite limbs still moving together. And this is a great way to explore your crawling pattern because it hits muscles that you don't always hit in everyday life. It hits your lateral moving muscles, your adductors and your abductors. It works your shoulders at different angles. One of the reasons I really like it though is because it gives your center a unique challenge. And if you spend any time doing it, it does build up the sides of your hips and your shoulders, but it really helps strengthen your center, especially when you're able to elevate your knees. Hands and knees on the ground is fantastic because you're developing coordination and you're still getting all those wonderful reflexive responses, but you can also increase tension throughout your body by lifting your knees up. So when you're lateral crawling, there is a pattern. It's either hands together or feet apart. That will help you get going, or it's feet together, hands apart. Either way, whatever you choose to do. You just work it side to side. You can work it for distance or time, but you can also, again, make it harder by elevating the knees. So what that might look like is this is hands and knees, and this is knees elevated. So there's more tension on the system. And you can also make that as hard as you want to too. Not that you need to, but if you wanted to, by lengthening your body out. So right now my knees are underneath me, but I can put more tension on the system by straightening them, or I can put more tension on the system by lengthening my arms out too. And this gets to be super fun because you'll really discover, man, this is a great way to tie your center together. Anyway, if you haven't spent a lot of time lateral crawling, it's a fantastic way to crawl. It's also brutal. Like if you're used to crawling for distance or time, lateral crawling is just harder because it takes a lot more steps to get the same amount of distance than if you were just crawling forward. Anyway, give lateral crawling a shot because life is not just forward and back, it's also sideways and in all other angles and vectors. And this is a great way to prepare your body for life. But it also just is great for your brain, and it's just really good though for your center. I think you'll enjoy it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.